Hello everybody, my name is Mike, and today I welcome you to the remake of the previous video about the residences. I've said some false information in the last video, so I decided to remake it. Now what I wanted to address first is that the concept is pretty much the same. We're gonna use rest create on both the corners to create a residence, but today I'm gonna actually tell you about the most important flags to protect your claim, and to add friends to your residence if you need to. Now let's get started, shall we? The first thing you're gonna have to do is pick up your wooden hoe and select the first corner with the left click of your mouse. That's gonna select the primary selection, and now we just gotta select the second corner. We're gonna walk to it. Now what you want to remember is that height actually matters. So if you were to select like the primary selection point in a cave, then you're also going to be claiming the ground. But for this tutorial we're just going to be claiming the ground plus the house. So now what you gotta do is go ahead and build up to the house. I have a tree here, so I just have to walk around it. But you want to go above the house so the whole roof is covered. Now that we're above the house, the only thing we have to do is right click and select the secondary point. Now the residence will have like these squares that will indicate that you're claiming the right place. And the last thing you gotta do is just do a res create and the name. So let's say tutorial. Let's say 2, because I'm pretty sure we already did tutorial. So now we've got the residence. Now, what do we gotta do to actually have flags to protect our claim? Since now, if somebody were to go into our claim, they could still open our chests and anything like that. Now that we have the residence, we're gonna set up the flags. Now, we have two of the most important flags. One of them is move and one of them is container. Since if someone were to just walk into your house now, they would just open your chests and yeah, steal things from you. So you don't want that. Now, what I recommend doing is going ahead and doing res set the name of the residence. So we're gonna do tutorial 2, container, and false. What this does is that if anybody were to walk in, they wouldn't be able to open your normal chests, but the modded ones are still vulnerable and people can steal from them. Now, what I do to fix that problem is simply replace this container flag with a move flag. This makes it so anyone that isn't your friend or isn't like added through the respad command won't be able to enter your residence / won't be able to steal from you. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks if somebody tries to enter your residence if he's not added into it. Okay, we have our friend here, and now he's gonna try to enter the residence without us setting up any flags to allow him to enter. Okay, can you please try to go in? As you can see, it doesn't let him in. This makes it so any other player that you don't specifically add into your residence won't be able to steal from you or try to destroy your house. Now, if we want to add him, he's our friend, right? We want to add him so he can open chests and move around the residence freely. Now, the only thing we have to do is simply go ahead and type res pset. Now the name of the residence, so tutorial 2. His name, so that would be Hello Void Go Joe. Then the specific flag, so for now it's gonna be move, and we're gonna set it to true. Now could you please try to walk in? And as you can see, he can now freely walk in, but he can still not use the container flag or any other flag. As you can see, he's not able to open the door. Now, if we want to add every single permission to him, the basic ones as container, open stuff, use stuff, we're just gonna use this simple command, and that is res add, again, tutorial 2, hello void gojo. Now, this gives him the flags of container, move, beacon, mob killing, shear, build, use, chat, and other flags like those. And now he should basically be able to open the door and use anything he wants in the residence. Could you please try to open the door, please? And as you can see, he can easily enter. Now, this is the easiest way to create a residence, and I hope that this tutorial has helped you. And I'll be happy if you leave a like or a subscribe. And see you on the server. Mike's out.